The one ball, one day beanie. This will be knitted in no time at all. What I really like about it is that it's got a purl stitch that breaks up the stocking stitch. It's easy, quick, and very, very simple. Cast on a total of 48 stitches. Start with 6 rows of our rib stitch, 1 knit, 1 purl, 1 knit, 1 purl. We have an 8-row pattern, which is knit and purl. Knit the pattern for a total of 20 centimetres from the start to the top. Then 2 rows of decreasing, sew it up, and you have the most divine beanie. This is the right side of our beanie, and the inside, or the purl side, is our wrong side. Using a 20 ply wool, I've selected a 100% merino wool because it's thick, it feels beautiful on, and it's very luxurious. I hope you enjoy knitting this cozy, warm beanie. It will take you 1 day, 1 ball of wool, and it's done. Row number 1, knit 4 stitches. Yarn to the front and towards you. Purl 6 stitches. Purl 3, purl 4, purl 6. And that completes the pattern for row number 1. Continue all the way around. Rows 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 are knit. Knit all the way around. Row number 5, purl 6 stitches. And knit 4 stitches. And that completes our pattern for row number 5. Continue all the way around. To decrease the number of stitches for the top of your beanie, it's rather simple. Knit 1 stitch and then knit 2 stitches together. And you continue all the way around. When you have about 23 stitches remaining, take a tapestry needle and feed the stitches onto the needle. Gently feed the wool through your stitches and tighten very carefully. You don't want this to break. Turn your beanie inside out. Gently pull together. Secure a few of the stitches at the top of your beanie just to ensure that it stays together nice and tightly. Turn your beanie inside out. Whoa, and it's finished. It looks fantastic. The one ball, one day beanie. This will look fabulous with a dark blue puffer jacket on or a jumper. It's thick, it's warm, and very easy to knit. I hope you enjoy it as much as I have.